Safety first. Tools. Lid. Make sure you do the final tightening with the crescent wrench. This is a really easy install. I'm up here by myself. Tony helped me to bring the tools up and just to make sure that I had everything that I needed, but ultimately it is a one-person job. It's very, very easy and comprehensive, and I can't wait to see what it looks like inside. And if you don't have a tool belt, maybe your workout leggings can do the job. Hey, it works. Yes!
And that's opened.
That's open.
Yeah, dope.